You have tuned your favorite YouTube channel Primary K Pankh with Tarkeshwar Pandey. I welcome you all in your favorite YouTube channel. Good morning dear students. I hope you all are happy, healthy, fit and fine. In our today's video, again we are going to know about knowledge of Indian state, and in our today's video we will know about a state that's name is West Bengal. So be ready and now know today one Indian state, West Bengal, and from today you will know per day one Indian state only on Primary K Pankh. So always be with Primary K Pankh. Now I am going to start the complete knowledge about West Bengal. Okay, so be ready and look the knowledge about West Bengal. West Bengal is the state in the eastern region of India. It is the fourth most populous state in India. It means the rank of West Bengal is fourth in the most populous state in India. Okay, now we will know about the area of West Bengal. Yes, the area of West Bengal is 88,752 kilometers square, or you can also say the area of West Bengal is 88,752 square kilometer. Now we will know about the border of West Bengal. Okay, in the east side of West Bengal there is Bangladesh. In the west side of West Bengal there is Jharkhand, and one state also in the west side of West Bengal, that is Bihar. So we can say that there are two states in the west side of West Bengal, that is Jharkhand, and also one state in the west side of West Bengal, that is Bihar. So remember these two states' name because these two states are situated in the west side of West Bengal. These are Jharkhand and Bihar. Next direction is north direction, and in the north direction of West Bengal there are Sikkim and Bhutan. Okay, Sikkim is situated in the north side of West Bengal and Bhutan is also situated in the north side of West Bengal. In the south side of West Bengal there is Bay of Bengal. So you can say Bay of Bengal is situated in the south side of West Bengal. Once again I am going to repeat the border of West Bengal. In the east side of West Bengal there is Bangladesh. In the west side of West Bengal there are Jharkhand and Bihar. In the north side of West Bengal there are Sikkim and Bhutan, and in the south side of West Bengal there is Bay of Bengal. Now we will know about the next knowledge about West Bengal, and this knowledge is related to capital of West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Okay, so remember this thing also. Where is the capital of West Bengal? The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. So this is very important knowledge about West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. The establishment date of West Bengal is 26 January 1950. It means West Bengal was established on 26 January 1950. There are total 23 districts in West Bengal, and the literacy rate of West Bengal is 77.08%. The literacy rate of West Bengal is 77.08%. Now we will know about the governor of West Bengal. The first governor of West Bengal is Chakravarti Rajgopalachari. Chakravarti Rajgopalachari was the first governor of West Bengal, and the present governor of West Bengal is Jagdeep Dhankar. Jagdeep Dhankar is the present governor of West Bengal. Now we will know about the Chief Minister of West Bengal. The first Chief Minister of West Bengal was Prafulla Chandra Ghosh. Prafulla Chandra Ghosh was the first Chief Minister of West Bengal, and the present Chief Minister of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee is the present Chief Minister of West Bengal. So remember some special things related to West Bengal. First, where is the capital of West Bengal? Then your answer will be Kolkata. Second, who was the first governor of West Bengal? The first governor of West Bengal was Chakravarti Rajgopalachari. Chakravarti Rajgopalachari was the first governor of West Bengal. And who is the present governor of West Bengal? The present governor of West Bengal is Jagdeep Dhankar. Jagdeep Dhankar is the present governor of West Bengal. Next important thing is, who is the present Chief Minister of West Bengal? The present Chief Minister of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee is the present Chief Minister of West Bengal. Next important question is, who was the first Chief Minister of West Bengal? Then your answer will be Prafulla Chandra Ghosh was the first Chief Minister of West Bengal. Now we will know some more important thing related to West Bengal, and the next important thing about which we are going to know about, that is legislature of West Bengal. The legislature of West Bengal is unicameral. The legislature of West Bengal is unicameral, and the seats in state legislature assembly is 294. So there is 294 seats in West Bengal state legislature assembly. Now we will know about parliamentary constituency of West Bengal. In parliamentary constituency of West Bengal, there are 42 seats in Lok Sabha in West Bengal, and there are total 16 seats in Rajya Sabha in West Bengal. The density of West Bengal is 1129 people per kilometer square. You can also say the density of West Bengal is 1129 persons 1 kilometer. It means in 1 kilometer area there are 1129 people live in West Bengal. Now we will know about official language of West Bengal. The official language of West Bengal is Bengali. Bengali is the official language of West Bengal, and English is also official language of West Bengal, or you can say additional official language of West Bengal is English. Now, sex ratio of West Bengal. It means number of women on 1000 men. So the number of women is 950 on 1000 men. So you can say in West Bengal the sex ratio is 950 women on 1000 men. Now know some more important information about West Bengal, and the next important information related to West Bengal is state symbols. Now we will know about state symbols of West Bengal. State bird of West Bengal is white-throated kingfisher. State bird of West Bengal is white-throated kingfisher. State fish of West Bengal is ilis. Ilis fish is the state fish of West Bengal. State flower of West Bengal is night flowering jasmine. Night flowering jasmine is the state flower of West Bengal. State tree of West Bengal is Chatim tree. Chatim tree is the state tree of West Bengal, and state mammal of West Bengal is fishing cat. Fishing cat is the state mammal of West Bengal. So these are state symbols of West Bengal. Once again I am going to repeat the state symbol of West Bengal. So listen carefully about the state symbols of West Bengal. State bird is white-throated kingfisher. State fish is ilis fish. State flower is night flowering jasmine. State tree is Chatim tree. State mammal is fishing cat. One important knowledge is also related to West Bengal, that is related to river Ganga. So know about this most important knowledge related to West Bengal. The main river in West Bengal is the Ganga, which divides into two branches. One branch enters Bangladesh as the Padma, while the other flows through West Bengal as Bhagirathi River and Hooghly River. Once again, know about this carefully. The main river in West Bengal is Ganges, which divides into two branches. It means Ganga divides into two branches, and one branch enters into Bangladesh with the name of Padma River, while the other branch flows through West Bengal with the name of Bhagirathi River and Hooghly River. Okay. Now know the next important knowledge related to West Bengal, and the next knowledge related to West Bengal is tourist places of West Bengal. Now we will know about tourist places of West Bengal. Number one tourist place is Kolkata. Kolkata, India's second biggest city. Kolkata is the India's second biggest city. Next tourist place of West Bengal is Darjeeling. Darjeeling is famous for beautiful hills. Darjeeling is famous for beautiful hills. Next tourist place of West Bengal is Sundarbans. Sundarbans is famous for Sundarbans National Park. Royal Bengal tigers. Sundarbans is famous for two things. First is Sundarbans National Park and second is for Royal Bengal tigers. Next tourist place of West Bengal is Siliguri. Siliguri is the twin city of Jalpaiguri. It means Jalpaiguri and Siliguri both are twin city of West Bengal. Next tourist place is Durgapur, and do you know Durgapur is known as steel capital of India. Durgapur is known as steel capital of India. Next tourist place is Santiniketan, and Santiniketan is the home of Rabindranath Tagore, and now Vishwabharati University is in Santiniketan. Do you know about Rabindranath Tagore? Rabindranath Tagore is the writer. Rabindranath Tagore is the writer of our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. So Santiniketan is the home of Rabindranath Tagore, and now in Santiniketan there is Vishwabharati University. Okay, now we will know some more important tourist places of West Bengal. So look carefully and know about more important tourist places of West Bengal. Next tourist place is Bishnupur. Bishnupur is famous for its terracotta temples. It means in Bishnupur there are many terracotta temples, and you can look these temples very attractive. Next tourist place is Purulia. Purulia is famous for natural beauty. Purulia is famous for its natural beauty. It is also in West Bengal. And next tourist place is also very important, and you need to visit this tourist place definitely. The name of this tourist place is Jalpaiguri. Jalpaiguri is known as town of olive. The name of Jalpaiguri also tells the quality or the features of Jalpaiguri. So know the meaning of Jalpaiguri. Jalpai means olive and Guri means place. So you can say Jalpaiguri means the place of olive. The place of olive is called Jalpaiguri. So Jalpaiguri is also a tourist place of West Bengal, and we must visit this place because this place is the town of olive. Next tourist place of West Bengal is Jaldapara National Park. Jaldapara National Park is also a tourist place of West Bengal, and it is famous for one-horned rhinoceros. One-horned rhinoceros is found in only Jaldapara National Park of West Bengal. So it is also a very nice tourist place of West Bengal. And next tourist place of West Bengal is Ganga Sagar, or you can say Sagar Dweep. Ganga Sagar or Sagar Dweep is most popular religious place. Okay, Ganga Sagar or Sagar Dweep is most popular religious place of West Bengal. It is known as the heaven of West Bengal.